Hi friends, good morning. Today I want to talk about 3 quick good morning habits for kids. You must be thinking that I would say brush your teeth, take a shower. No, I'm sure that you know already. I want to talk about habits which can make their mornings cheerful and they will be filled with joy for the day. So let's start with the first one. As soon as they wake up, tell them to smile. Believe me, a simple smile will offer a mood boost just on the start of the day. It prompts the brain to generate positive emotions, and the brain releases tiny molecules to help fight off stress. Smiling not only induces a positive impact to mental well being but also contributes to improved physical health, and it significantly impacts those around you. So remind your child to smile as soon as they wake up. It may take up to 10 days to build up on this habit, but once they get used to it, they will be in happy mood at the start of the day.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Akila. Here comes the second habit, which is simply saying good morning. Teach your child to greet with good morning. It is an energizing, positive way to start the day. A good morning acknowledges the presence of family members and creates a friendly environment. This is a small gesture to show some appreciation and is essential to present human civility and loss of values in the family. When you greet with warmth of heart and with a smile on your face, you transmit it to the recipient, helping him to truly have a good morning and spreading the good vibes. Now comes the third habit, which is personally my favorite. So, as your child wake up, ask them to look outside the window and embrace nature. Being connected to the nature will enable children to be happier in nature. Not only viewing scenes of nature like rising sun, greenery, flowers reduces anger, fear, stress, but it also increases pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature makes you feel better emotionally and it contributes to your physical well-being. If you do not have totally green view outside your window, then looking just towards the daylight will do the job. Akhila had fuzzy mornings in the past, and therefore I installed these habits in her routine. Now her mornings are not fuzzy anymore. She is usually happy when she wakes up. So, if this video has helped you and if you have liked the video, then let me know in comments.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.